With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a helicopter takes off along the vertical with an acceleration a is equals to 3 meter per second square and 0 initial velocity. In a certain time, the pilot switch off the engine. At the point of takeoff, the sound dies in a time t2 is equals to 30 seconds. Determine the velocity of the helicopter at the moment when its engine is switched off, assuming that velocity of sound is 320 meter per second. In this question, it is given that the initial velocity, that is u, is equals to 0 and the acceleration a is equals to 3 meter per second square, and according to the question, that in a certain time the pilot switch off the engine and let the time be, that is t1, and we know that at the moment the pilot switch off the engine, the helicopter is an altitude, let it be this is h, and h is equals to u plus a into t1 square, and u is equals to 0. So we can write h is equals to a t1 square, and the sound can no longer be heard on the ground after time t2, and so we can write the equation, that is t2, and t2 can be written as, therefore t2 is equals to written as t1 plus a into t1 square divided by 2 into c, and given that the velocity of c is equals to, that is some velocity of sound, this is 320 meter per second, and so from this equation we can say that the right hand side have the time of ascent, and this shows the time of ascent of the helicopter to the altitude h, and time taken for the sound to reach the ground from the altitude, and this altitude is, that is h. Solving this equation, t1 can be written as t1 is equals to under root, and this becomes, that is c divided by a whole square plus, and this is 2 into c into t2 divided by a, and this is minus c by a, and so we discard the second root of the equation since it has no physical meaning. The velocity, let it be this is v, and we have to find that the velocity v is equals to what. So the velocity v of the helicopter at the instant when the engine is switched off can be found from the relation, and we know that that is v, and so v is equals to written as a into t1, and according to the question that initially it is at rest, so u is equals to 0. Therefore we can write this equation can be written as a, and the value of t1 is given, this is equals to under root, and so this can be written as c divided by a whole square, and this can be written as 2 into c into t2 divided by a, and this is minus c by a, and so on solving this equation we get this value, and this comes out under root c square plus 2ac t2 minus c, and we put the value and we get this value is equals to written as, that is v is equals to under root, and the value of c is, this is equals to 320 whole square plus 2 into acceleration is, that is 3, and c is equals to, that is 320, and t2 is equals to, that is given that this is equals to 30, and this is minus 320, and so this value comes out, this is equals to, on solving we get this is equals to 16, and this is 4 times 0 minus 320, and so this comes out of the root, and this becomes, that is 400 minus 320, and we get this value is equals to 80, and this is meter per second. Therefore the velocity is equals to v is equals to 80 meter per second. So this is the required value, and in this question we have to find that the velocity of the helicopter at the moment when its engine is switched off, assuming that the velocity of sound is 320 meter per second. Therefore the answer is here, that is velocity is equals to 80 meter per second. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.